name is Rafika Munasir, and today I'll be presenting my individual assignment for AOW367 Industrial and Organization Psychology entitled Job Analysis Production Supervisor at Valeo Malaysia CDA Sdn Bhd. What is job analysis? Job analysis is a systematic process of collecting and analyzing information about a job, including the duties, responsibility, required skills, qualification, and work conditions needed to perform the job effectively. Job analysis is important because it helps organizations to understand what employees are expected to do and what requirements are needed for a particular position. Through job analysis, organizations can develop accurate job description and job specification. This information can support important human resource activities such as recruitment, employee training, performance evaluation, and career development. Next, job role. For this assignment, the selected job position is Production Supervisor at Valeo Malaysia CDA Sdn Bhd. Valeo Malaysia CDA Sdn Bhd is a part of Valeo, a global automotive technology company that focuses on developing innovative solutions for mobility, including reducing carbon emissions and improving vehicle safety. The production supervisor is responsible for managing daily production activities and ensuring that production targets are achieved according to quality, safety, cost, and delivery requirements. This position acts as important connection between management and production employees. The supervisor needs to coordinate with operator, engineer, technician, and other departments to ensure production runs smoothly. Next, I will explain the main job duties of a production supervisor. The first responsibility is managing people. The production supervisor needs to supervise production operators, arrange employee training, monitor attendance, evaluate employee performance, and create a positive working environment. The second responsibility is maintaining production standard. This includes ensuring employees follow safety procedure, work instruction, quality standard, and workplace improvement practices such as 5S. The third responsibility is managing production activities. The supervisor needs to monitor production schedule, ensure daily targets are achieved, review production performance, prepare report, and coordinate with other departments to solve production issues. Lastly, the production supervisor is also responsible for continuous improvement activities, such as identifying production problems, participating in problem-solving activities, reducing waste, improving production, and supporting lean manufacturing practices. Now let's move into requirement of production supervisor. For the requirement of this position, a production supervisor normally requires suitable educational background and working experience. Based on valid job requirement, candidates should have a diploma or a bachelor degree related to industrial engineering, manufacturing engineering, mechanical engineering, or other related field. In terms of experience, the position requires manufacturing experience, especially experience in supervising employees. Besides technical knowledge, several important skills are required, including leadership skill, communication skill, problem-solving ability, decision-making skill, and knowledge of production management, lean manufacturing, and continuous improvement. The employee must also be able to work under pressure because production supervisors need to handle urgent issues such as machine breakdowns, production delays, quality problems, and manpower shortage. Profile of interview employee. For interview session, I interviewed Mrs. Rahaiza, who is currently working as a production supervisor at Valeo Malaysia CDA Sdn Bhd. She has been working with the company for approximately 19 years, starting from 2006 until now. Her educational background is a diploma in production technology engineering from Polytechnic. Her career journey shows continuous development within the company. She started as a technician from 2006 until 2010, then progressed to senior technician, assistant engineer, and finally became a production supervisor in 2022 until present. Her long working experience helped her to understand the production environment, employee behavior, and technical processes, which became important factor for her promotion. Next, actual job duties. Based on the interview, the actual job responsibility of a production supervisor are very extensive. One of the main responsibilities is ensuring daily production target and KPIs are achieved. Mrs. Rahaiza mentioned that every day she needs to monitor performance indicators such as productivity, quality, machine efficiency, customer complaint, and production output. If targets are not achieved, she needs to identify the reasons such as machine breakdown, manpower shortage, material delay, or quality issues and take corrective actions. She also needs to attend several daily meetings involving different departments such as production, engineering, quality, maintenance, planning, and supply chain. Besides managing production, she also supports engineering activities. For example, when there is a new customer logo every month, she helps to prepare and convert the design using CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator before transferring it into the production machine. This shows that her technical experience as a previous engineer still support her current role as a supervisor. Next, I'll explain the technology and system used by the interviewed employee. A production supervisor uses several digital tools to support daily operation. Microsoft Excel used to monitor KPI, analyzing production performance, preparing reports, and recording data, operational data. Microsoft Word is used for preparing documentation, reports, and meeting records. Microsoft OneDrive is used to storing and sharing production-related documents. Besides that, CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator are important tools because Mr. Suhaiza used them to prepare customer logo design and convert files into format that can be accepted by production machines, especially for laser processes. The production monitoring system is also used to track production output, machine performance, and achievement of production targets. For promotion criteria, several factors are considered for a production supervisor position. Firstly, the employee must demonstrate strong leadership and people management ability because supervisors are responsible for managing operators and ensuring teamwork. Secondly, consistent achievement of production target and departmental KPI is important. Technical knowledge and experience in manufacturing processes are also required because supervisors need to understand production problems and provide solutions. Based on the interview, long service with the company is also valuable. Employees who have worked for many years already understand the company environment, production processes, and have strong relationship with employees. Therefore, promotion is not only based on education but also based on experience, performance, leadership, ability, and continuous learning. Next, the comparison between the information obtained from Valeo job advertisement and the actual interview finding. Based on the comparison, both sources show several similarities. Both highlight that the production supervisor is responsible for managing production activities, ensuring quality and safety standards, monitoring performance, and leading employees. However, the interview provides deeper understanding of the actual workplace situation. For example, the job advertisement mainly explains general responsibility, but the interview shows that the production supervisor handles many additional tasks such as attending multiple daily meetings, solving urgent production issues, monitoring approximately 500k units of monthly production outputs, and supporting engineering tasks. Therefore, the interview findings provide a more realistic view of the complexity and challenges of this position. In conclusion, this job analysis provides a clear understanding of the production supervisor position at Valeo Malaysia CDA Bhd. From the research finding and interview session, it will be concluded that a production supervisor requires a combination of technical knowledge, leadership skill, communication ability, problem-solving skill, and strong responsibility. The position is not only focused on monitoring production, but also involves managing employees, solving operational problems, achieving KPIs, ensuring safety, and support continuous improvement. The interview with Mr. Rahaiza also showed the career progression can be achieved through experience, skill development, good performance, and commitment to the organization. Overall, this assignment demonstrates that job analysis is an important tool in understanding job requirements and supporting effective human resource management practices.